Hi guys, I want to learn how to build a chatbots with Azure setup like Azure AI search and Azure tag. So uh, I'm just going live stream. I'm learning this, and you can also learn along with me. So my first step is I ask a ChatGPT. I want to create a chatbot using Azure with a PDF as source. So it gave this. Great. You want to build a chatbot with Azure with PDF as a knowledge. So it have suggested the RAG style. Those who don't know a RAG, it's a retrieval augmented generation. I will give you a clear, practical architecture, step-by-step approach, and it's perfect for internal company bots, blah, blah, blah. Best approach, Azure RAG architecture. Um, so you will use Azure OpenAI, LLM GPT-4 or GPT-4a. So OpenAI, we need this for natural language processing. So we will get some text if we give it to OpenAI, and based on the text, let's call it as context. So we give some context to OpenAI and ask a question. So based on the context, it is going to answer for our question. And Azure AI search. So we will, it's Azure AI search is used as a vector database. So, we will store the PDF in the blob storage, and from blob storage, we will create the vectors for the PDF, and the vectors are stored in Azure AI search. We that's the purpose of Azure AI search and Azure AI Studio or SDK. So this is for custom Node or Python API. So let's see how we can use Azure AI Studio. So the high-level architecture flow is like this. If I'm the user, I will have a chat app, and I will ask a question to chat app. It is going to Azure Open API, and it is going to search the vector search, and the vectors are created from PDF. So the Azure AI search will return top four. For example, k is equals to 4, it will return top four values to OpenAI, and open based on the top four context, OpenAI is going to answer our question, whatever we asked in the chat app. I believe this is the architecture we are going to follow, and we need to create an OpenAI resource. That's the first step. And second step is to upload the PDF blob storage. So we need to create a storage account, and we are going to upload the PDF file for that. And creating the Azure search, I'm going to create an Azure search, and we need to connect Azure search with blob storage and create all the vectors in vector DB. Extract and chunk, you can use Azure AI Studio built-in RAG. So I'm going to, in this tutorial, I'm going to use Azure AI Studio. But earlier there is a separate tutorial I have created by creating our own Python script for RAG model. So that Python script, it will load the PDF file by using recursive text splitter. It is going to split the documents, and it will create the chunks. And the chunks, we are going to store it in the any vector database like Quadrant or Elastic DB, and create embeddings. We are going to create embeddings, and the embedding model is this one, text embedding. Based on this model, it is going to create all the chunks. So there is a separate video. I have done this, but as of now, we are doing the Azure AI search in this one. Convert question is equals to embedding, similar chunks, and responses. So this is a simple one. Here method, no code. If you want a fast setup, Go to Azure AI Studio, create new project, chat live and add your data, upload your PDF, Azure AI search and embedding model, click deploy, done. Hosted chatbot endpoint, API access, built-in RAG. Wow, this is easier method. We are not doing any code. Cost estimate, okay, we are going to use a free trial. Pro architecture, if you are building something serious, hybrid search, keyword vector, semantic ranking, and add conversation memory. So add source citation. This is for pro architecture. I will create a pro architecture videos, the follow-up ones. Simpler stack, Open API, and Cosmos DB. So maybe let's go with learning purpose and then create an architecture diagram. As I explained, we have Azure AI search for vector index and hybrid search, OpenAI for GPT-4o model, and sure, upload PDF, Azure blob storage, upload video, blog extract, and query flow when user asks a question. Introduction ready recommended architecture. Okay, let's see. This is the architecture diagram. So I uploaded this one in the streaming as well. So this is on the high level. This is what we are going to do. Let's start. Let's go with the portal. I want to try the easy route. I have PDF, I have PDF, and I need chatbots. Step by step, it's telling 10 to 20 minutes setup. Go to Azure AI, sign in with Azure, create new project, go to deploy models, 4o, deploy 4o chat model and text embedding model, click deploy, add your this memory step. And with Azure account, create new project, so project name it runs on tab 22, 26. And this is the resource group and used to found the resource open, created a project, bring up Microsoft Founder for you. Let's see how it is going to do. I need to wait for some time. Let's see what it's going to do. This one, really PDF text box, open starts free digital textbook teaching tools. Okay, let's try this one. This is .org. So I think I will get some then subjects business technology. Okay, let's see for business statics. Okay, let's find introduction to business statics. Let's try to get this book downloaded. Download a book. Go to your file. Okay, this is the PDF file. Okay, introduction to business topics. Concepts that are quantitative, discrete, quantitative, continuous, and problem. Okay, if I give this one, will this give this one possible solution? Let's see. Specific one. A specific use case that cannot answered by a general GPT model. No, the chat GPT or any LLM model, it can answer generic questions, right? We need to pick a specific topic in this particular textbook. Maybe we can try this one. Mm, Percentages that are less than data and our college. Okay. Okay. Qualitative data discussion, data and our college. See with a text or is it an image? I think this is a text. Okay, data and our college. I will ask what is the full-time number, full-time students in data and our college. And students in data and our college. Approximately data and our college in Copernicus. Approximately the generic one. But here if you see 9,200. I think we need to get the number 9,000 to 9,000, 6,400. Let's try this one. Let me download this. So that's okay. Introduction to see the portal foundry is done. Okay, the Microsoft portal foundry is done. Let's see. Go to Azure AI Studio, sign in with the Azure account, create a new project. Inside the project, okay, we created a new project. Go to models. I think we need two models, GPT-4 Embeddings model. Okay, start building, browse models. GPT-4 this one. Embedding three large. Let's duplicate this one. Um, mm, okay. I don't know pausing. I think I need to stop this within an hour. Default settings. Start playground. Click add your data. Upload your files. Upload your PDF. And select Azure AI search. It will auto create. Embedding model. Text embedding large 3. Okay. Chat playground. Add your data. Where is the data? Going to data. No data sets available. Files. Synthetic data generation. Stored components. Data sets. Okay, let's go to this model. Okay, models. So let's go this model. I think we need to add data somehow here. Data means files. Creating a new index. Creating a new index. Okay, this is the vector. Drag and drop the file's name. Okay. Now I'm going to do this one. It's 20 MB. I think files can be uploaded using either newly created index vector or the. So I think we are going to create a new index one since we don't have any available index. Attach the vector. Okay, we added it. I think it is still indexing. Indexing is done. Back to the instructions in ChatGPT. Upload files, data source upload files, upload your file, and Azure AI search. Select Azure AI search, add your data. I don't see add your data. The steps, maybe these steps are incorrect. Extractions, attractions, these are all deploy API, Azure REST API, Cosmos. Okay, let's ask GPT. Again, directly in the editing model to use chart playground with data connection, not just dot. Let me guide you. Correct what you are in your 26. You are using Azure OpenAI Search, Open Azure AI Studio, Azure OpenAI Service. Make sure you have three Azure OpenAI, Azure AI Search with storage account. Go to project, chat playground, chat playground the GPT playground using Microsoft Foundry. So Foundry overview. I don't find any chat playground here. Microsoft moved things around. Add your data is now grounding data connection, not under grounding data connection. Where is this one? Grounding data connection. What to do? So the open our projects. Go to chart, not models. Okay. Open your project. Let's search. When should I store in the founder?